Welcome to our second video on QuickBook series. In today's video, we are going to learn some formatting of this interface which you are watching currently. So let's start with our first formatting feature. As you can see that this icon bar is appearing on the left of the screen. We normally use the icons as a top horizontal. So let's change its position. For changing the position of this icon bar, we simply go to the view option here, and here you can see that left icon bar is selected. Here we can see a top icon bar. We just click this top icon bar, and here you can see that these icons are placed as horizontal. Okay, now let's do another formatting thing, which is go to the view section and select the customize icon bar option. Here you can see different icon options here: home, my company, income tracker, bill tracker, calendar. So you can change the position of the icons by just clicking this here and placing here. Now you can see that the icons have changed their position in this icon bar. Similarly, you can add some other icons. For adding icons, you need to click the add button here. Here you will see different type of icons. So let's select calculator. Here you can see the display item. For this calculator, we select this one. Here this is the label and this is the description of the calculator icon. So just click OK, and you can see that the calculator is placed here. We want to move this calculator right after the home button. So you can click here and place here. Now we want to delete some icon from here. Let's say we want to delete this button and click the delete, and here it goes. The button, the icon is deleted from the. Now just click the OK, and here we go. The next formatting option is, as you can see that this icon bar is in dark mode. You can change the color of this icon bar. To change the color, you need to click the edit button, Then go to the preferences. Here you can see that we are on the desktop view and it is my preference tab. Down below you can see that switch to colored icons, light background on the top icon bar. Just click this button and you can see that the color of the icon bar is changed to default. You can change the color from here. For example, we can select, let's say is green forest. Now click the OK button. Okay, you can see that the color is changed here. Now let's do another formatting option, which is the go to the view option, customize icon bar. Here we can change the icons content and its styling. For example, uh, we want to change this description of home. For changing the description, we need to edit this button. So click this button, click this icon and come here, edit option. Here you can see that the label is home. So we can change it to home page. And here we can change it to home page description. We can also change the icons also. We can change it to this one. Now click OK. Click OK. Here you can see that the label of the icon is changed to home page and the description also changed to home page description, and the icon is also changed from a change here. The next thing is the last thing of today's video is that click the view button and here click the favorites menu option. The favorites button is appearing here. Now customize favorites. This is the list of the available menu items which you can add to your favorites button. The task which you are going to perform frequently can be added here. For example, let's select you can say we are going to enter frequently sales receipts here. So click the sales receipts and click the add option here. Then we are going to create invoices frequently. So add create invoices here and click OK. Now come to the favorites. Here you can see that these two options which you are going to use frequently are added here. Okay, so in today's video, we learned some of the uh, formatting features of our QuickBooks interface. We will continue this course from here. Until then, see you. Take care.